What is BQH? BQH is Beyond Quantum Healing, which is a consciousness exploration method for self-healing and spiritual growth. BQH practitioners assist their clients in every area of life that you can imagine: physical health, emotional balance, life path or purpose, and more esoteric reasons like higher self-connection, starseed information, or exploration of past, parallel, or future lives. Lightworkers have been talking about a shift or transition for a very long time. The year of 2020 is all the proof you need that we are in that transition right now. Everything is in a process of recreation. Quantum healing is no different. Beyond Quantum Healing is an advancement in self-healing and deep connection to spiritual understandings, and it has come at just the right time. It is as much of a concept as a method, because unlike other modalities currently available, it does not focus on mechanics or strict rules or dogma. This makes it unique in the world of alternative and energy healing and has benefits for both clients and practitioners. Each client is seen as a unique individual, and each session is tailor-made with this idea in mind. Practitioners are not only free to consult their intuition or inner guidance, but are encouraged to be creative and flexible as they guide their client. Humans are in the midst of expansion and great change. BQH acknowledges this and can help in all areas of life. Beyond Quantum Healing practitioners discover what is truly important to their clients. Intention is highlighted and stated in a decree to connect to and have assistance from higher dimensional levels. Energy techniques are utilized to bring both client and practitioner into a beautifully synchronized and coherent state. Practitioners use relaxation and hypnosis elements to help bring clients deep connection to their inner selves. Because here, truly anything and everything is possible. What questions do you have for your soul? What is the root cause of your current challenge? Why is your physical body experiencing strange symptoms or upheaval? How can you better access dimensional levels of light on a daily basis? How can you best ride this enormous wave of change for humanity? How can you bring more peace and balance into a world that is experiencing chaos? What truly is your life path during this ascension event? As a client, BQH can help you with all of these things and more. And if you're called to become a healer in this, what Dolores Cannon has called the most important time in the history of the world, you might consider becoming a Beyond Quantum Healing practitioner. My name is Candace Craw-Goldman, and you can find out all about me and BQH at quantumhealers.com.